In this video, we will show you how to send money from India to the UK through Western Union. If you guys want to get started with Western Union, you can use the links down in the description. Visit westernunion.com and ensure you are logged into your account. Click on Start New Transfer. Select United Kingdom as the country where you want to send money. Enter the amount you wish to send and verify the amount your recipient will receive. Choose how your receiver wants to receive the money: bank account, cash pickup, or debit card. Select your preferred payment method. For example, if you choose a debit card, proceed by clicking on Continue. Enter your receiver's first name and last name. Provide the receiver's complete address, including city, province, and postal code. Enter the receiver's bank account information. Review all entered details carefully and click on Continue to finalize the transaction. So that is how to send money from India to the UK through Western Union. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Western Union. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.